Hi everyone, due to the extension of MCO, this will be another episode of Easy Cook. Today what I'm going to teach you all is the chicken Francaise. The ingredient that you needed will be chicken breast meat, 2 slices of butter, soy sauce and chicken stock, red wine, corn flour and grated cheese, chopped garlic, mushroom and also parsley. Next you need 2 eggs, broccoli, mushroom again, and also tomato. Next you need some lemon juice. To prepare the breast meat, you need to butterfly cut it and then you need to pound it over. Crack the egg into the bowl. Put in the salt and pepper. Then add in the grated cheese and mix them all well. Finally, top up with some parsley. Now put the flour into the plate. Coat the chicken with the flour and shake off the excess. Move the meat to the eggs mixture. Place the chicken to the pan and pan fry it for each side 4 minutes. To prepare the sauce, put the butter into the pan again and then put the red wine in. Next, the soy sauce and also the chicken stock, the mushroom, parsley, and then the chopped garlic. Squeeze in the lemon juice when it's almost done. Top the sauce to the meat. For the mixed veggie, saute the garlic with olive oil again. Add in the broccoli, mushroom and also tomato. Add in the salt and pepper again. And now the dish is ready to be served. Alright people, this is another complete meal where you can see the meat and veggie. So this one the sauce is very juicy and you can feel that the inside is very juicy while outside is crunchy, and together it blends in very well. You can try this as well.